So today, the last couple days have been fun. We got our hay in, which is right here. We got 10 more bales coming in. We got that all stacked up right there. Inside here, all of our hay is stacked up very nice and neatly. Today is a very exciting day. Let's see if I can get some light in here. It is a exciting day. Well, I'm doing unboxing, so here we go. If you can read, CHIRP SI GPS Helix 5 G2. Alright, here we go. You got your owner's manual. Okay, you got your power cables. Here's the side imaging transducer. We've got hardware. Oh, this is like a transom mount to mount it on a transom of your boat, I'm assuming. The head unit. Humminbird. Nice little unit. Okay, here we go. There is the fish finder holder. It is a PVC cap. I've got a toilet bowl or a toilet screw with the T-track screw in it. This is a threaded slip fit collar with a 1-inch PVC. I have a T square or a T with cap on both sides. U-bolts come up to this wood bracket, and then the fish finder bracket screws into there. Fish finder sits there. My seat's right here. Alright, so here's the fish finder setup. But I need to get a grommet so I can water seal that off. But the wires go in there. Transducers right here. The unit mount, I showed you the mount earlier. The unit, or the transducer, you pull this pin and it drops the arm down. And then you drop that pin in and it locks it into place. Now I don't know how low it's supposed to hang. I figured that's okay. But then I got the wire to the transducer coming up. And it comes down, it goes through here, comes down and up through here. Then I've got the power, it goes down and then into the battery box. For now, temporarily, until I can get its own individual battery. But that's the transducer setup.